How to be a millionaire even if wala kang college diploma. Hi, my name is Bri, and I'm IT by profession. I'm a manager for 6 years under Ravens Tower and leading 28 financial advisors. For the past 10 years in Sun Life, I've helped more than 1,000 families and I've helped them manage their financial portfolios. Hindi porke wala kang diploma, wala kang chance umasenso. Ang mahalaga, yung willingness mong matuto, magsimula at magsipag. So, ano yung tatlong high-paying careers na pwede mong subukan? Number 1, business. Hindi mo kailangan ng malaking capital para makapag-start ka ng negosyo. Maraming success stories na nagsimula lang sila sa maliliit na sari-sari stores, online selling, food stall. Ang difference lang, nag-start kasi sila. Just hustle, learn, and adjust. Kasi that's how you grow. Number 2, content creation. Digital world na tayo ngayon, guys. Nandiyan yung IG, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, kahit anong platform, pwede mong gamitin to build your brand. May market for comedy, advice, lifestyle, kahit anong consistent and authentic, pwede kang kumita. Number 3, sales or financial advisor. Sales is one of the highest paying jobs na meron sa atin. Walang limit ang income mo sa sales. Sa Sun Life, pwede kang kumita habang tinutulungan mo yung ibang tao. Plus, you get paid based on the results and not credentials. May training, may support, and you have a chance to build your own team. So, kung ikaw, iniisip mo, paano nga ba ako mag-start kung wala naman akong diploma? Eto na yung sign mo. Hindi mo kailangan ng degree para umasenso. Ang kailangan mo, diskarte, tamang mindset, and willingness to start. Tatlong options and tatlong chances to win. Ikaw na lang ang kulang. Kaya kung gusto mong malaman kung paano ka rin pwedeng magsimula with support, training, and guidance, just comment start sa ating comment section below. If you like this video, leave it a thumbs up and follow for more. Bye!